Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to you about the WONDERBOOM from Ultimate Ears. Yeah, it's an awesome little portable Bluetooth speaker that I got as a gift recently, and since then I've been using it a ton. Really cool. It's a really nifty little Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, we're going to talk a little bit about it and why I think it's so great. So on the outside right here, we'll first start off with the design. It's kind of like a mesh sort of material, really nice, really soft in the hands. And then on top and the bottom you have a rubber top and a rubber bottom right there. As for the buttons, you have the Bluetooth button, which is right here. Essentially you just have to hold that down for a couple seconds and it will allow the speaker to connect. So very easy to use, makes a loud noise, kind of like a big beep boop to let you know that you're connected. And then you have the Ultimate Ears button, which I didn't really know it was a button at first, so you have to read the directions. But you press that to play or pause, and I think you can also hold it to connect other WONDERBOOM speakers. I haven't done that yet, but yeah, you can do that too. You have the on and off button right here. Obviously you can see that it's on right now. Turn it off. And shut off right there. Pretty self-explanatory, especially for the giant volume buttons that are right here on the side. Pretty obvious that those are volume buttons. You know, and you can obviously also control from your phone like you would with any sort of Bluetooth connection. In the back right here, we have the USB port, which is kind of nice. You have, you're able to easily just plug that in right there and, you know, yeah, connect, charge it up, whatever. Speaking of charging, this thing has a 10-hour battery life, which is pretty awesome. You know, you can pretty much use this thing all day without worrying about it dying or anything. So whether, you know, you're at the beach or like, you know, using it for a party or whatever, you're solid for 10 hours after a full charge, which is pretty cool. This hanging loop, which is right here on the side. I haven't really used that yet, but I imagine like next time I go hiking, I'll probably bring this along, and you can use it with like a carabiner or something kind of similar, and you know, hook it onto your backpack, whatever, so you don't have to carry it, but can still listen to music. The sound on this thing is actually pretty amazing. I was really surprised by how good this thing sounds. It's a really big sound, tons of bass, but you know, not so much just overpowering. The treble, just everything is very nice and balanced. And for how small it is, you know, it's very clear as well. Cool thing about this little WONDERBOOM is it has a 360 design for the speaker. So the speaker wraps all the way around, so you know, you don't have to be sitting in front of it to hear it best. You can really place it anywhere and facing any way in the room, and as long as you're in that room, you know, you'll be able to hear it pretty nicely. It is also rated, I think it's IPX7 is the waterproof rating on this thing, which is pretty high. It is waterproof, so you know, you can float this thing around in the pool with you if you do so please. I haven't actually done that yet. That kind of stuff makes me a little bit nervous, but I have used it in the shower when I'm showering in the morning. You know, I'll just kind of hang it in the shower or put it, you know, on here next to the on the sink or something next to the shower, and you know, just kind of, yeah, listen to it and let it go. But that's really cool, and it also just makes it much easier to clean, just in the case that it gets, you know, dirty or anything, because all you have to do is stick it under the sink, rinse it off, and you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, it's really awesome. I love the color on this one too. I think the WONDERBOOMs come in a pretty wide variety of colors. I think the black one is probably the most popular one, but I really like this orange and blue. It's very bright, very vibrant, but also just very cool looking. You know, it's got like a nice modern touch, and even with the bright colors, you can easily put it in any room, and it'll look, you know, high tech without look and not look like cheesy or kind of overbearing or anything. So yeah, it's just a really cool overall little Bluetooth speaker. Again, this is the WONDERBOOM by the company Ultimate Ears, and yeah, if you're looking for a good waterproof Bluetooth speaker, I would highly recommend checking this one out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.